So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. And I today I'll be doing a tutorial on this animation in Adobe XD. So yeah, let me begin without any further ado. Okay, so basically I already have created an artboard. I'll just duplicate the artboard here, and I will actually create another duplicate of the same artboard, and then I will drag it here. I will change the color of the icons. I will do I'll even change the icon color of the selected item so that it looks highlighted. I will take colors from here itself. I will even upload the file for this in the description if possible. And yeah, Control D. I will again drag it to here, change this color back to the previous color, and then little adjustment. Yeah, we are fine. And make this white. Take this color to the green, and then what I'll do is I'll make another artboard. Control D, and I'll drag the selected to here. I'll make this gray and take this, remove the white thing and just make it white, make the borders white, and let me select the color to blue, and I'll make another duplicate of this artboard. We will drag it to the end and make this color here and this one both to white so that we do not have any problems in the visual part, and change this color to this turquoise. And yeah, so now we'll start up with prototyping. We'll begin with the last icon so that we don't get confused, or we don't have difficulty in selecting the icon. And yeah, let me do this quick. So settings, account, and then again here. From here I'll take it to course certificates, account details, payment and details, no, we'll go to FAQ, then profile settings. In this same way here as well, I will take it to courses, then my profile, then payment and details, then FAQ. Similar goes to everything. We drag it here, this to again the profile part, this one to the payment, this one profile settings. And as we have done our connections, I'll just select all the links, make all the changes, auto animate, ease in ease out, make it to 2 seconds on tap. So these are the settings here. So let's see how our video comes out, how our end product comes out. Okay, it looks fine. So yeah, we could even do anything like this. So yeah, here's the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Do share it with your friends, like, comment what should I do next on, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, keep learning new things. And I hope you have learned something from me. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.